Good evening, everyone. I am Aldea Lorraine Belaro from Batch 4. So, yung topic naman po natin today in 365 Daily Devotion in January 6. Why did God create Adam and Eve? Or Adam and Eve? At ang scripture naman po natin ngayong araw ay matatagpuan sa Genesis 1, verse 26 hanggang 28. So, basahin po muna natin yung konsepto ng who are Adam and Eve or Adam and Eve. Adam and Eve were created by God as the first human beings and placed at the center of His good creation. They were made in God's image, given dignity, responsibility, and a loving relationship with Him and with each other. God did not create them by accident or for confusion, but with clear purpose to reflect His glory, rule over creation under His authority, and enjoy His presence. In Adam and Eve, we see God's original design for humanity before sin entered the world. So, dito po, pinaliwanag lang kung ano nga ba at sino nga ba si Adam and Eve at sino yung nag-create sa kanila. And of course, sasabi naman na ang Panginoong Diyos ang nagpinta sa kanila, nag-create sa kanila lahat-lahat. Kaya naman sila din, of course, yung parang nagiging role model natin physically. At sa kanila talaga tayo mismo din nagmula in terms of physical. And sabi sa teachings na, why did God create Adam and Eve? It is to extend God's relationship to people, to fulfill the earth with God's image, and to build nations reflecting God's glory. So, ayun yung mga rason kung bakit din na-create si Adam and Eve dun sa langit na naibaba ito sa lupa. And sabi nga ito is to extend God's relationship to people. At sila yung nagiging daan upang magkaroon tayo ng ugnayan sa ating Panginoong Diyos. At of course, magkakaroon tayo ng connection na kung bakit kailangan natin makipag-communicate sa ating Panginoong Diyos. At ano pa nga ba yung mga bagay na kailangan natin aralin sa ating Lord. And that's all po muna for today. And bye-bye everyone. God bless and see you on Sunday.